This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Therese DeLuca. Brand new. Never lived in. The Isles of Collier Preserve. Beautiful Gardenia floor plan with over 2,000 square feet under air. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is elegant. Pool, spa, private preserve view, and so many custom upgrades. Quartz countertops and backsplash, soft close cabinets and drawers, wine cooler, plank tile, crown molding, laundry sink, and impact-resistant windows and sliders are just a few to the luxuries you will enjoy. In addition, the Isles of Collier Preserve offers great amenities with a huge resort-style pool, a lap pool, the Overlook Bar and amp, grill, tennis, pickleball and boccie ball courts, a dog park and a social director that keeps the community hopping. There are over 8 miles of nature trails to experience and abundant wildlife. Kayaks and canoes are available for use to paddle to the Gulf of Mexico. Only 4 miles to Naples and #X 2019, famed Fifth Avenue and Beach. This is one of Naples' most desirable gated communities. For more information, review the details below.